Hey, yo, Jason.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Say something to her. Holla at her.
I got one question. How'd you fit all that in them jeans? You know what to do with that big fat butt.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit of
Patty cake with no hands. Got me in this club making wedding plans. If I take pictures while you do your dance, I can make you famous on Instagram. Hot damn it, woo. Your booty like 2 planets. Woo. Go ahead and go ham sandwich. Woo. Whoa, I can't stand it. 'Cause you know what to do with that big fat butt.
wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit of
Cadillac, pop that trunk. Let's take a shot, alley-oop that don't. Tired of working at 9 to 5. Well, baby, let me come and change your life. Hot damn it, woo. Your booty like 2 planets. Woo. Go ahead and go ham sandwich. Woo. Whoa, I can't stand it. 'Cause you know what to do with that big fat butt.
wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Shake it, girl.
Just a little bit of
Wiggle.
shake what your mama gave you, misbehave you. I just wanna strip you, dip you, flip you, bubble bathe you. What they do, taste my raindrops, cable. Now what you will and what you want and what you may do. Completely separated till I deeply penetrate it. Then I take it out and wipe it off. Eat it, ate it, love it, hate it. Overstated, underrated, everywhere I've been. Can you wiggle, wiggle for the D-O-double-G again?
Come on, baby, turn around. Yeah, you're a star, girl. Take a bite. Yeah, it's just one thing that's killing me. How'd you get back in them jeans? You know what to do with that big fat butt.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle,
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Shake it, girl.
Just a little bit.
Wiggle, wiggle,
Wiggle, wiggle. Now make it clap. Wiggle, wiggle. Now make it clap. Wiggle, wiggle. Make it clap. Just a little bit. Now make it clap, clap, clap.
Students din sa Pateria Elementary School, ninyo nakita sa mga TV screen na ron, saka recycled flour na gamit ang mga empty plastic bottle, siguro pang mga recycled materials, na sila yung mga pen holder, gamit ang nagadayang mga recycled materials, doon na sa mga kahoy, doon na sa mga bato, mga papel, ibang pang mga plastic materials, mga ilang mga main na tayong mga materials aron na makabugna na sila o usap ang mga relevant na mga utang pagpanalipod ihapon sa atong kinaiyahan. Okay, there you go. Mga classmate na nimo, ano mga wall frame, mga papel na o ganang ibang pang mga special papers, mga kinasusa dito, okay, i-redesign nila ako, diba? Nito kahit tanaw. Ang saan yun, i-display nito or ibalikan yun sa gawas? Sila na bahala-ala. Oo. Pero kasi katumanan na makita niyo yung finished product. Linod mo, kailangan sa feeling mo. Wow! Linod kayo, out of my creativity, nakahimo dito ay. Wow, very good. Ang mga Zapatera SPED Center students nato na nalingkam na papakita ilang pagpakabana sa pinayanan. Of course, hopefully, mamahinom silang ehemplo sa ubang pang mga tinunan nato, mga ubang pang mga kabatan ko na liha using their quality time and creativity. Balik ko na tayo sa studio. Siya po siya, ba naman siya? Pwede mapapalit. Depende sa mga teachers.
Experience Pangingilo. Regular potassium-based sensitive toothpaste would only give an ordinary level of protection. But now, there's Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief. Its unique Grow Argent technology gets to the root cause of sensitivity, sealing the exposed tubules that trigger Pangingilo, providing instant relief and long-lasting protection from sensitivity.
Every day is an adventure. Full of missions to accomplish and duties to fulfill. That's why everybody makes sure he has a superstar with Nestle Cocoa Crunch. Breakfast with whole grain, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Enough energy to help you feel super at school and at home. Nestle Cocoa Crunch, fuel for our little superheroes.
Hey girls, have you tried this? It's the new Palmolive Naturals Boulevard. With melted cherry blossom extracts. It has a sweet scent and it keeps my skin being pampered and moisturized.
Have you given your all? Or do you have more to give? Boost your daily fiber intake with 100% natural Celium. So you can feel lighter and go further every day. Celium. Feel lighter, go further.
Mamaya na yung plate. Breathe, maging siya. Gano'n, taste naman. Nakita mo yung taong ka sa costume ko? Taong ka sa costume? Sige na na.
Coffee or Brand X, which tastes better? Brand X. It's like silky smooth cream. The #1 creamer just got even better. Coffee, our creamiest ever.
Pag nai-stress sa paggamot, bumabagal ang paggaling. Fever-prolonging stress yan. Ang Biogesic for Kids. Pinasarap ng T-Stride technology. Kaya walang stress inumin, mas mabilis ang paggaling. Biogesic for Kids. Selfie? Okay ha? Sabay tayo. Naman, hindi na important answer, diba? Ako pa. Be confident to put your hands together for a groupie. Head and shoulders.
What is the MIN? It's when a child is brain smart, body smart, and people smart. Help give them an edge with multiple intelligence with the best ever gold biofactor system. Progress Preschool Gold.
I walk. I dance. I shout. I vomit. I Fatrol. With an alternative that helps burn fat and increase energy to give that show-off shape that you can't help but, well, show off. I am fit. I am it. Fatrol.
それは愛する人、そして日本の未来を守るための決断。今までありがとう。そしてさよなら。ルローニケンシン、超と大化編。
Tikman ang kompletong sarap ng sampalok, kamatis at kalamansi sa UFC Sinigang Mix. Buhay ang sarap ng sinigang, 8 pesos lang. 11 naman binisang gulay with that puti oyster sauce. From classic to oysterific, 5 pesos lang. Inyong programa, yatid ka natin sa Sawyer Syrup Granules.
Pili ka ng feelings tinukod. Mayroon ang sulit feeling. Feeling lang ang hindi na kayang materials. Introducing Sawyer Syrup for Adults. Now why not do an advanced lung cleaning system? Pulidong matang sa limang may bacteria. Inukod na hayaan sa sodium at pulidong sa pagsugod sa ubo.
Pursue your children's potential with Kumon Math and Reading. Let them experience the Kumon method of learning this September. Join the Kumon 2-week free trial. Hurry and register. Pag-istorya na o Kumon instructor. Tawag na. Kumon.
Coffee needs more brand X, which tastes better. Brand X.
I still taste the creamy spice.
The #1 creamer just got even better.
They're definitely creamier.
Coffee made our creamiest ever.
Mga kapamilya, gisugat ta sa kusog nga uwan karong buntag ug ginfa ka gabi nagsugod gihapon ang pag-uwan gipatinaw sa pag-asa nga why low pressure area nga nasigbatan kun dili kadtong kusog nga uwan nga inyong nasinati epekto to sa intertropical convergence zone kung ang panag-abot sa init ug bugnaw. The past few days, nakamatikod mga perting inita, hinungdan nga nini mga panahon na tuo sa pag-abot sa init ug bugnaw ni sangkot ni sa kusog tayo nga bundak sa uwan. Matod sa pag-asa, ang uwan kagabi dili normal, kini tungod kay niabot sa 70 millimeters. Ang ginaghanon sa pagbulok sa uwan,
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Bob it loud, another round of shots. Bob it loud, another round of shots. Bob